I'm back. Did he gain a level yet?
No. You dropped your Bidoof off 30 seconds ago. Also, it was on fire.
Yeah, so? That horse is on fire.
That's different for reasons I cannot explain.
Good morrow, Gladys.
Oh, hey, I remember you. You're that boring EV trainer that learned a lesson.
I'm just here to pick up my Pokemon, and would you look at that? They're holding an egg.
Right again, Julian. Here you go.
Oh, yes. After a year of breeding, I finally created another perfect Pokemon.
Hold on. You can make Pokemon? How?
Yeah, it's easy if you're not a total Charizard. You just take 2 Pokemon in compatible egg groups.
No. How do you make a baby? You know, the, Delibirds and the Combies.
Let's sigh. If I teach you how to breed Pokemon, will you stop crying?
I want to make a new Pikachu.
Great! Pikachu is an electric mouse, which means he's obviously in the field egg group.
No, Pikachu is my Beedrill. He died in a car fire.
Wait, so you don't have a Beedrill either?
Nope.
So what do you have?
Bidoofs.
Then we shall craft the perfect Bidoof. As you can see, I've matched my dittos with your Bidoofs according to IVs. We should have a shiny Bidoof with an adamant nature in just 2,731 attempts.
And I forgot why we're doing this.
Oh, great Cernius antlers! My Cleffa has begun to hatch. I shall name her Cleffa Valentine, after the woman of my dreams.
Cleffa.
Wow, you sure are excited about that buff baby.
No! All those steps!
Look, I told you, this guy makes the best buff fairies.
No, I don't want to go back to Team Rocket.
Yeah, we don't want you either. You know, ever since the new boss took over, membership's at an all-time high.
Quit presenting exposition, Dennis. Grab that sexy baby.
No, please! I was going to marry her! When she came of age, of course.
Wow, you really deserve all of this.
Bidoof.